Hey everybody, this is Mike from Mike's Custom Works. So I'm actually just going to get straight to the point with this video. It's a air horn from Viking. It's a dual trumpet system on a dual electric compressors. Instead of showing you the full video right off the bat about you know, the sound, the in and out workings of the horn and all the setups and all the other shit, a lot of you people just want to get straight to the point that nobody ever does in any of their videos. So I'm going to give you an option this time of two things. First, I'm going to show you the sound of the stock horn, the horns that I have on there now that I accidentally screwed up a while ago by drilling into by accident, and I screwed them up. And I'm going to also show you the sound of the two new trumpet horn, the two horns from Viking themselves. So before we get to that stage, no, I'm just kidding. So they are, as you can tell, they are in here. This is the after video, obviously, because if you want to watch the full install video, that would be next. So there they are. The hoses are running to them. I got to get more split loom. You can see the wiring I have is running down there. The wiring runs down and under and over here and over into the back of there. I need more of that, so obviously I need split loom on that, but I just haven't got a chance to buying any yet, and so forth. So I'm going to blast these two sons of a guns. You guys can hear exactly how loud they are as the keys fall out of my pocket. I'm parked so close to my garage door, it's kind of like hard to find a spot. So putting them on the hood of the other Dodge, just so that I don't like. As you can tell, they are quite loud compared to the other two. So those are the trumpets, the dual trumpet, dual air compressor trumpets from Viking. And what's nice is, being that they are not a giant massive tank where you need massive room to store things and you got to fight with locations and shit like that. What's nice with these is, ow, bloody hell is it cold. What's nice with these is that they just plug and play, very simple, and I did that without turning my truck on. So if you want to watch the rest of the video on how I did the install and all that miscellaneous stuff and listen to music, go right ahead. If not, you're just looking for the audio bit, there it is. Everybody, either watch or I'll see you in the next episodes. Thank you. Alright everybody, this is Mike from Mike's Custom Works, and today what we are doing is we are installing the dual trumpet horns from Viking horns. As you can see down there, that's the two trumpets, and to the left over here is where the two compressors are actually going to go. Now, the kit comes with everything you need that you need just for this stage. It comes with the horns and it comes with the compressors, which is good. It comes with mounting hardware to mount it to the location that you're going to have them in. It comes with the hoses and it comes with a relay. What it doesn't come with is the wiring. And the wiring is the most important part. You can get a wiring kit for it where it has the connector for the relay, it has a horn button that you attach inside your cab. It's got a wire that goes to the battery that has a fuse inside of it, and yada yada yada. It's a good thing to have. But unfortunately this kit doesn't come with that, you just have to buy it. Like I said, it's not really a big deal. I do have the trumpets from Wooloo that are in here, and I have like a little horn from Wooloo as well for the stock horn, and I just don't like either of them. But I'm going to leave the stock one alone because it's very modest, so you don't really get in trouble if you're like blowing your horn at assholes in front of you because they're sitting at the green light, or they're texting, or they're doing something that's pissing you off, or they're driving around with an I Love Hillary sticker and you want to blow the horn at them and act like you're a macho mother. So yeah, I forgot where I was going. These horns will definitely do it, but they will definitely get you in trouble. They're definitely a lot louder too, from what I've heard in different videos. I just want to show people how to install them. Of course, I'm sick, and so a friend of mine who likes the videos and stuff, he said he's going to start taking a shot every time I cough. So I guarantee about halfway through the video, if everybody joins him, you're not going to make it too much further through what I'm going to be saying. So anyway, so the horns have to be close to each other. I'm going to start drilling the holes in here, get these guys mounted in there so that pain in the ass is out of the way. I'm going to get the hoses attached, and then all I'm going to have to do is the wiring on the back end here. Now, these compressors are massive compared to the ones from Wooloo. My camera is facing in a weird direction. Hold on. These compressors are massive compared to Wooloo. So one of the things I'm going to do is, because this is where the bolt's going to go in the body, I'm not going to know what is what anymore. So I got a marker on me, and on the top here where the plastic is, I'm just going to put a little line. That tells me it's negative, and on the other side I'm going to put a plus. Maybe another one. So that when they're sitting down there, I go, okay, plus is on the left, negative is on the right. Alright, perfect. That's one of them. And luckily it's the same on this horn. It should be. Now what is interesting is there is a hole on the side of it that says oil. So I guess eventually over time you gotta squirt oil in the hole. Pardon me. I don't know. I gotta look at the instructions about that one. But, okay. That's interesting. I gotta put oil in it once in a while. Strange. So, anyway, I gotta find a spot where I want to stick this. So, I just gotta squish them together. So if I stick one there, and then I stick the other horn here, put one there and one there, that'll be fine. Now, the other thing is I gotta disconnect my Wooloo and tear all that wiring out to do this. So I'm actually just gonna start playing music in the background for myself, which I can't have you guys listen to because of frickin' copyright infringement laws, because they think that I'm using their music to what they call promote product, even though I'm not promoting anything. I'm just basically doing a review on how to do this. Overall said and done, if you have the right tools and all the wiring, the average person could install this within an hour. The average person. It's really not that hard. You know, one wire goes to the battery. If you have a soldering iron, it's a lot easier. If you don't have a soldering iron, you twist them, things are going to get shitty. Of course, a lot of things I do is I make the plugs for here. I have the plugs you buy from an electronics store. So I make the plugs, I solder it, I crimp them, stick them on so it's nice, it looks nice, and it's all professionally done. And then also, what was I going to say? Yeah, I think that's it. Rambling on about shit. Alright, enough of me talking. I'm going to go start doing this shit, getting these guys mounted so you guys can see what's going on with these and the aggravation that it takes to drill through the fucking body of this truck. Because I'm also going to have to drill this way, at least, and mount these fucking things in there as well. And drilling at an angle is not going to be easy.
I'ma show you how to love. Oh, I'ma show you how to love. I'ma show you how to love. Oh, I'ma show you how to love.
Okay, took some medicine and I got my sweet salted caramel whiskey with me. Let's have some fun. So now I'm going to start installing the horn first because I think it'd be easier for me to stick that in there. And then I'll do the dual compressors. See if you can see it. There we go.
Separate, but it seems the time has come that you run my life with no hope to fight, and no time to hide. And I'm sinking under, drowning faster. Please just let me breathe. The air is leaving, and I'm lost in need of you again. You break me down. Swore for this life we have chosen. We're soldiers to a common war we fight. To this passion of love we may fair and die. I'm slipping further. We're falling faster. You're growing stronger. Less I grow weaker and I know. You break me down and you make me surrender.
So now I'm going to start taking out the bottom where the wooloo is, start ripping that out, pull out the wiring, chasing snake oil the wiring to where it has to go, and then I got to run new wires and new leads, and at that point we'll probably be over on my workbench making the parts, and you guys will be listening to the music staring off into the distance. So enjoy the insanity.